Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Coding with Rohani YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the video and audio element in HTML. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So the video element is used to show a video on a web page. So as you can see on the screen, the video element has the width attribute, height attribute, and the control attribute. The width and the height attribute is used for adjusting the width and the height of a video on the screen, or you can say on a web page. The control attribute is used to add control for a video, like play video, pause video, and value. So the second element, as you can see, is the source element. The source element allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. So as you can see here, after the source is the src attribute, and inside the double quotation there is a video name and the video format. And inside the type attribute is a video and slash with videos format. And the same as you can see right here. Between the opening and closing video tags, this text will only be displayed in browsers that do not support the video element. So as you can see, this is the video that we connect with our web page. So make sure that your HTML file and video should be placed in the same folder. So when we click to play the video, as you can see, we have complete control into our video. So that's it for a video. So the next we have an audio element. The audio element is the same as the video element. This element has the control attribute. This element doesn't have the width and the height element. In fact, it has, but it's not necessary for adding the width and the height attribute for audio element. And the next, this audio element is also has the source element, as you can see here, the both source element, and instead of video in the type attribute, you have to add the audio here. And also, if the video didn't play in any browser, this message will be pop-ups for the user. So now let's save this, and now let's jump over to our page and let's refresh this. So as you can see, audio element is working successfully. Now let's play this and let's check whether it works or not.
IM is an abbreviation.
Video and audio element are working successfully. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.